The Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, a name that echoes through the annals of automotive history, stands as a symbol of performance, style, and American muscle. The Impala, originally introduced in 1958, quickly became one of Chevrolet's flagship models, blending luxury with a powerful performance that appealed to a wide range of drivers. The Super Sport SS version, introduced in the early 1960s, elevated the Impala to new heights, transforming it into an iconic symbol of the golden age of muscle cars. Over the years, the Impala Super Sport would continue to evolve, maintaining its status as a sought-after collector's item and a cornerstone of American automotive culture. From the outset, the Chevrolet Impala Super Sport was designed to stand out. It was a car built for those who demanded more than just transportation. It was a statement. The SS trim, first offered in 1961, was intended to add a sportier edge to the already popular Impala. This wasn't just about a set of performance parts. The SS trim brought aggressive styling, enhanced handling, and, of course, the powerful engines that could take on any challenge on the road. The 1961 Impala SS, for example, was powered by a 348 cubic inch V8 engine, offering 280 horsepower in its base configuration and up to 330 horsepower in its higher trims. This powerhouse made the Impala SS one of the fastest and most powerful sedans of its era. In terms of styling, the early Impala Super Sports were marked by distinct features. The SS models stood out with their unique badging, sportier suspension, and chrome detailing. The aggressive front grille, sleek body lines, and wide stance gave the car a muscular presence on the road. Inside, the focus was on comfort and style, with plush seating, sporty touches, and a dashboard that balanced functionality with a sense of luxury. The combination of power and design made the Impala SS a car that commanded attention wherever it went. As the 1960s progressed, so too did the evolution of the Impala SS. The 1965 Impala SS, for instance, came with an updated look, featuring a more refined body style and even more powerful engine options, including the legendary 396 cubic inch V8 that could push out up to 425 horsepower. The 1965 model was part of a broader trend toward more refined muscle cars, with smoother body designs and more sophisticated features, without sacrificing the raw power and performance that made these cars famous. In the late 1960s, Chevrolet faced increasing competition from other American automakers like Ford and Dodge, which were producing their own performance-oriented vehicles. To stay ahead of the pack, Chevrolet continued to innovate with the Impala SS, offering even more options for customization, as well as introducing new technology to enhance the driving experience. The 1967 and 1968 models are particularly iconic, featuring a blend of vintage styling with more modern touches. The big block V8 engine options continued to be a significant selling point, giving drivers the kind of power that made muscle cars so appealing. However, by the early 1970s, the muscle car era was beginning to shift. Insurance companies were raising premiums on high-performance vehicles, and stricter emissions regulations were beginning to take hold. The Chevrolet Impala SS, while still a powerful and stylish vehicle, began to lose some of the aggressive edge that had made it so legendary. By the mid-1970s, the Impala SS was discontinued, as the automotive industry and consumer tastes moved away from the raw, untamed power of the muscle car toward more fuel-efficient and practical designs. Despite its discontinuation, the legacy of the Impala Super Sport didn't fade away. In fact, the Impala SS became an instant classic, a vehicle cherished by car collectors and enthusiasts alike. The combination of performance, style, and rarity made the Impala SS a coveted piece of automotive history. It wasn't long before fans of the Impala SS began restoring classic models and taking part in car shows and racing events, keeping the spirit of the Super Sport alive. In the years that followed, the Chevrolet Impala underwent a number of changes. The Impala became more of a family sedan, with an emphasis on comfort and practicality rather than outright performance. However, In the early 2000s, Chevrolet made the bold decision to bring back the Impala SS nameplate, albeit in a very different form. The modern Impala SS, which debuted in 2006, was powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which was a significant departure from the high-displacement V8 engines of the 1960s and 1970s. While the new Impala SS maintained the performance edge that the nameplate was known for, it was also more refined and sophisticated, with modern technology and luxury features. While the modern Impala SS didn't have the same raw muscle car appeal as its predecessors, it was a vehicle that combined performance with daily drivability, making it a more accessible option for a wider range.